Good? All right, I'm gonna show you guys number 1 on your homework today. This says 7 times 53 equals. This multiplication symbol looks different. Sometimes mathematicians will use a dot, and it means the same thing as multiply. So on your homework tonight, don't be confused. If you don't like that dot, you can even put an X over it and make it look like you want, okay? This is 7 times 53. If I'm using the algebraic method, here's how I'll do it. I'll say, okay, the number 53 is scary, but I'm gonna make it less scary. I'm gonna make it 7 times 50 plus 3. I'm gonna write that right below my equation so that it says 7 times 50 plus 3. That's the same thing as 7 times 53. I've just made the number 53 look different. Then I'm going to use my distributive property, and I'm going to distribute the 7 to the 50, and I'm going to distribute the 7 to the 3. This will be one of my equations. This will be my other equation. I'm going to write this equation, 7 times 50, and put parentheses around it. I'm going to write my next equation, 7 times 3, and put parentheses around it. Now this is my tens product. This would be the same equation that would be in my tens section of my area model. And this is my ones product, the same equation that would be in the ones section of my area model. And when I get done, I'm going to have to add these two together to get my total product. So I'm going to put a plus sign there. And now I'm just going to multiply. 0 here says I've got 1 0. Circle what's left and multiply. 35. And put that 0 back on. 7 times 3 is 21, and I'm going to stack them so I can add. And when I add, I get 371. And then remember, you've got to take your answer, put it back up here so that I know you realize that 7 times 53 equals 371. This is very similar to the expanded method, but instead of going like this way, the equation goes this way.